Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Python 3.8 or newer and launch Jupyter, then install the driver and packages, for example, pip install pyodg and SQL Alchemy. Once done, make sure the SQL Server ODG driver matches your OS and bitness. Prepare your connection details. Server hostname or IP, port 1433 unless customized, database name, and credentials. Now open a new notebook and create a code cell for imports. This sets the stage for the connection code. You will now construct and test the actual connection. Build a connection string using the correct ODG driver name, server equals host, port, database, UID, and PWD, or use SQL Alchemy URL format. Use pyodg, connect, or create an engine with create engine. Then run a lightweight test query, for example select 1 or select top1 * from your table, and load results into a pandas data frame with fetchall or read SQL query. If it returns rows, the connection is working. If not, note the error message for the next steps. You will finish by making the connection reliable and secure. Wrap queries in try/except close cursors and use SQL Alchemy engines for pooling and reuse. Store credentials and environment variables or a secrets manager rather than hard-coding, then load them into your notebook. Once done, test real queries and export results as CSV or visualize with pandas. If something goes wrong, check firewall or port blocking. Confirm driver bitness matches Python, and inspect the exact error message. That single detail often points to the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.